Namaste students. We are going to continue our topic probability. Till now what we have done in our previous videos, you have seen random experiment, you have learned about outcomes, and you have learned about sample space. We have done so many examples of sample space. Okay, one thing which I just missed in the first one, sample space, you know that sample space, if I toss a coin, so sample space is head or tail. This one element of this set is called sample point. This is called sample point. Alright, each element of a sample space is called sample point. Is it clear? It can come in MCQ somewhere. Okay, what is the sample point of this? So you should know an element of sample space called sample point. Is it clear? It is called sample point. So we have studied these three things. Now the next what are we going to study is, now till now we did sample space. Examples related to sample space, matlab total possible outcomes we have done. Is it clear? Now what is an event? I'll explain you through examples. It is very easy. Suppose a die is thrown. A die is thrown. What is my sample space? So these are the possible events. See, when we started a chapter, I said a die is thrown, find the probability of getting an even number. So event means what specific I want. Event is getting an even number. So event is that particular thing whose probability we are going to find out. Is it clear? Whose probability we are going to find out. So in my E, what will be the points? It will be 2, 4 and 6. If they ask me probability, that we can find out easily. Is it clear? So sample space are the total possible outcomes. Event. Event means whose probability we are going to find out who the event. वैसे भी event word का मतलब क्या है? Event, something is happening. Today's event is this. Is it clear? So my event is to getting an even number, or getting an odd number, getting a prime number. Is it clear? So whose probability am I going to find out? If there is a bag, it has blue and white ball, find the probability of getting a white ball. So my event is to getting a white ball. So I hope it's clear to everyone. What is event? Event is what actually? Event is a subset of sample space. Event is a subset of sample space. It can be equals to S also. See, I told you chapter 1 that many terms, what we are doing in chapter 1 sets, we will be correlating with the probability also. E is a subset of sample space. Is it clear? Subset means it is a smaller set than that. It can be equals to also. Agar suppose this is find the probability a number less than or equals to 6. So it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. कोई भी number आ सकता है. Is it clear? तो E क्या हो जाएगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 सारे number आ जाएंगे उसके अंदर. Is it clear? So E is always a subset of S. E is always a subset of S. Event means whose probability we are going to find out. Whose probability we are going to find out. If I toss a coin, 2 coins are tossed. Coin 1, coin 2. I know the sample space is going to be HH, HT, TH, TT. Clear? And I need to find out getting a tail. So what will be the elements in this set E? It will be HT. So that's my event. I hope events are clear to everyone. Event is a subset of sample space. Is it clear? Any subset E of a sample space is called event. Any subset E of a sample space is called event. Now we'll do types of events. Types of event. Types of events. First, number one, impossible event. I'll explain two examples. Impossible event means जो हो नहीं सकता, possible नहीं है. Is it clear? For example, I throw a die. My sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and my event is getting 7. So what will be in E? E will be a null set. So this is called impossible event. If there is no element in that event, that is called impossible event. Empty set it is. Is it clear? This is an empty set. Alright. The second is sure event. Sure event means 100% that will happen. Alright. 100% that will happen. And 100% what happens? That is only sample space. Sample space is said to be sure event. Sample space is said to be sure event. Is it clear? Sample space is said to be sure event. Alright? Clear to everyone? So that will definitely, it will happen. All the elements. Numbers between 1 to 6. Definitely throwing a dice, it will happen. Some sure event जो होता ही होता है. There is no doubt about it. That is called sure event. Is it clear? Alright? Next we have simple event. Simple event means an event which has only one sample point. An event which has only one sample point. An event which has only one sample point is called a simple event. For example, two coins are tossed. My sample space is HH, HT, TH, TT. And my event is getting two tails. So how many elements would there in this event? Only one. So this is called simple event. Is it clear? Simple event means an element which has only one sample point. I told you in beginning of this video, sample point means these are called sample points. अगर किसी event के अंदर सिर्फ एक sample point होता है, that event is said to be a simple event. Clear? And the last one is compound event. Compound event. An event which has more than one sample point, that event is said to be a compound event. Alright, an event which has more than one sample point is said to be a compound event. Like if E is getting ahead, so how many sample points? It has two sample points, so it is a compound event. Is it clear? This is called compound event. Clear everyone? So types of events, how many events we got? We did impossible event, that means if nothing is there in that event. Sure event means 100% the complete sample space. Simple event means there is only one sample point. And compound event means when there are more than one sample point in a event, that is called a compound event. Alright, the next is very, very important. That is algebra of events. Now this is the base of trigonometry. Till class 12th we are going to go with it. Algebra algebra बोलते किसको है? Algebra is plus, minus, your multiplication, division. So this is what we are going to do in sets. Not literally multiplication and all that. Fine, but these are, and I told you in sets also. The same thing will happen in probability. So first is, like I will just assume, let there is like complementary. The first is complementary event. That's all we did in sets also. The names are same. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट क्या होता है? सेट के अंदर सबने किया है. व्हाट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट? यस चिल्ड्रन, लेट ए बी द इवेंट. Then there exists an event denoted by A dash. याद है सेट्स में भी A complement of the set. The elements which are not in A, that is in A dash. The elements which are not in A, that is in A dash. Complement. A dash means not A. Complement means reverse set. For example, if I have tossed a coin, A is the event getting a tail. So what events, how many elements are there? H, T, T, H. So A dash will have the remaining elements of the sample space. Can you correlate with sets? ये यूनिवर्सल सेट है, ये A है. A dash कैसे आता था? नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, सैंपल स्पेस. यूनिवर्सल सेट के वो एलिमेंट जो A में नहीं है, वही तो है कॉम्प्लीमेंट. एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग व्हाट वी डिड इन सेट्स. दिस इज यूनिवर्सल सेट, दिस इज ए. कॉम्प्लीमेंट मतलब उसका उल्टा सेट, जो ए में नहीं है वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट में आएगा. इसका मतलब कॉम्प्लीमेंट में क्या आता है? कॉम्प्लीमेंट हैज सम एलिमेंट्स, ऑलराइट, इट हैज सम सेट एलिमेंट्स which are there in the sample space but not in A. Alright, or indirectly I'll say it is S minus A. Elements of sample space which are not in A are in A complement. Elements of sample space which are not in A comes in A complement. I hope girls it's clear. Correlate it with sets. Is it clear? Complement of a set. Remember the shaded area also universal set. This is A, तो बाहर वाला area A dash हो जाएगा. It's exactly the same. All right. The second is, I hope it's clear to everyone. Clear? Second is A or B. A or B. The event A or B. In sets, you remember union. Alright, I told you this union, it means plus or it means or. It's the same thing. In probability, this is or. A or B means either A or B or both. Either A or B or both. Is it clear? Either A or B or both. That means, it means all the elements which are either in A which are either in A or B or both. It means A or B means A union B. If it has element X, it may belongs to A or it belongs to B or it belongs to both. Is this clear? Or means both. Is it clear to everyone? Alright. A union B, that means we talk about which either in A or in B or in both. That is A union B. Fine? Clear? When suppose if I toss a, say, throw a die. So this is, it should be A is the event, we get a even number, B is the event, it is a prime number. So I have to find out the probability of A union B. That means either a prime number or a what? Even number. So this union, this will do in detail in this 11th as well as 12th. These all questions would be coming. Is it clear? Right now we are doing just basics of it. Clear to everyone? If the event is A or B, that means A union B. And then next we have third. What will come? That you know. You know A and B. What is that? The elements which are in A and B. A as well as B. That means A and B means, remember, sets. This means multiplication. Clear? So it means if it has some element X, A and that should belongs to B also. It should belong to A as well as it should belongs to B. I hope it's clear to everyone. Alright? Clear to everyone? Now, the fourth one, that also you have done in sets. The event A but not B. याद है किससे डिनोट करते थे? Anyone? Event A but not B. याद है? याद है ये एरिया? ऐसा कुछ करते थे? This is A, this is B, this is you know A minus B means A का एरिया जो B में नहीं है. This is A minus B. B का एरिया जो A में नहीं है. Remember A minus B and B minus A. So A minus B means elements of A but not in B. Is it clear? Elements of A which are not in B. Which are not in B. It's always equals to, one more if you remember, ये बहुत important है. A minus B can be written as A intersection B dash. And if I have B minus A, please remember this. In probability, we are going to solve this like this only. A minus B is A intersection B dash, or B minus A is B intersection A dash. I hope it's clear. Algebra. Algebra we have complement, matlab ulta set. Or means union, either A or B or both. Intersection, and means intersection. And A minus B means the elements of A which are not in B. So just do one example to support this, what basics we have done till now. Read this. A die is rolled. A is an event getting a prime number. B is an event getting an odd number. We'll find out all those things which we did in the algebra. First of all, write sample space. When a die is rolled, we know that the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What will be A? A is prime number. Out of this prime number, 2, 3 and 5. B is odd number. First I need to find out A or B. I need to find out the elements in the events A or B. A or B means A union B. A union B. What will come in A union B? All the elements of A as well as all the elements of B. Union, you remember, no? All means union. All the elements of A, all the elements of B, but we don't repeat the elements. So it will be 1, 2, 3 and 5. Clear? Second, this is find A and B. A and B means intersection. Common elements of A and B. So that will be 3 and 5. Third, they are asking me find out A minus B. Elements of A which are not in B. Elements of A which are not in B. Which element of A is not in B? 2 only. अब इसमें ये मत लिख देना कि 1. वो B का एलिमेंट है जो A में नहीं है, वो B minus A में आएगा. A minus B means elements of A which are not in B. So that's only 2. And fourth, not A. Not A means I need to find out A complement. That means elements of universal set. That means that universal set means the sample space which are not in A. The elements of sample space which are not in A. Which are the elements of sample space which are not in A? 1, 4, 6. Elements of sample space which are not in A. That will be 1, 4, 6. Is this clear to everyone? Very, very important topic. Alright. I hope types of events, algebra of events are clear to everyone.